I'm back. Another late night here. Last I left you, pretty much everything disassembled. I spent the last couple days just cleaning up a few parts here and there, just testing out a few different aluminum cleaners, see which one works best, and also a couple different degreasers that see if one works a little bit better than the other. But so for tonight, I'm just going to pull apart linkage, get inside those bearings, check them out, and then I'm going to work on cleaning up the frame, and we will work on the swing arm as well and take a look at those bearings. So I do have quite a few parts cleaned up, most of them, you know, kickstarter, shifter, handlebars, triple clamp, and a bunch of different little parts here and there. So I guess for now, we'll just dive into the bearings. Alright, now that I got my hands all dirty, I put some gloves on here, but as you can see, we've got one rusted out bearing there, and then on this guy, that just fell out as well. So the other ones look like they're actually greased. These two are pretty good here, so that just means a little more work and more money. I'm gonna go ahead and re-grease these other ones that are good to go. So in this case, too much grease is not really gonna be an issue. So there's that, and that's our problem child right there. Alright, so those are out with no issues. So let's dive into these little guys here. It's dirty, but it's greased up, I guess. Alright, all the bearings taken care of for the most part. What I've got is the swing arm and the frame. Gotta clean those up. Bad part is it's winter time. It's pretty cold outside and all I've got is my kitchen sink. I do have a bathtub though. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in the spare bathroom and wash all my parts in the bathtub. And I think that'll work. Let's do it. Alright, so here's just a quick look of all the parts that I got done. Subframe, kickstarter, and then kind of like the engine mounts, clamp, bars, and the rear shock, and they all turned out really well. Alright, so here we are in my bathroom. Clean this guy up. I got a little bit of degreaser in here, and I don't have a huge soak tank to put like this and the frame in. Alright, so the swing arm all polished up. It looks pretty good. We'll take a look at it after it's dried. Alright, swing arm all taken care of. Now onto the lovely frame. So this is where we're at. Got a nice new looking frame here. We polish it up just a little bit more. Oh boy, that was a lot more work than expected. But what we got as our finished product here is looking pretty nice. Quite a bit of work, but at least the end result is pretty good. So there are a couple different parts that need a little bit of cleaning, so I'll eventually get to those, but like usual, I run out of time, so I'll be answering questions down in the comments if you have any. So that's gonna be it for tonight. If you want, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want, and I'll see you next time. Peace.